Hey, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my latest video. In the previous video, I will review it Redmi 4A. In this video, I will give a little tutorial on how to edit photos with Lightroom using Aqua orange effect. Let's check this out. Open the Lightroom application and select the photo that you want to edit, like this. Here I use one of the photos of the Gambus singer known as the sound. Yep, that's right. She is Mrs. Sabian. Step 1. Click light and exposure to 20, highlight minus 2079. Click curve. Give 5 points on the curve. Why 5? These 5 points are the basis for the lightning itself. Then slide the first few points up and bring the second point to the first point, like this. Jang jang. Looks different, right? Haha. Step 2. Color light. Temperature -2. Scene -16. Yeah, might be 15. Vibrance -11. And click mix. For the red colors, luminance 53, click the orange color, luminance 53, yellow 40, luminance 40, yeah, maybe 45. On the green, saturation 65. '65, '66 maybe, or the luminance for Aqua to view 7 for luminance. Yes. On the blue, hue is -40, 40 to 45 maybe, and luminance -31. On the purple, luminance 2, and violet, luminance 40. And click down. Step 3. Borders. Clarity 50, and split tone, highlight 37 with shadow 22, 23. Click done. Last step, click here and
search noise reductions for 35. Yes. Wait. This application. Look. So different, right? Click here and save to device. Click OK. Waiting for preparing. And one photo export successfully. Save to device. Click OK.
So, until here my tutorial video. See you in the next time. Bye.